train comes now. Hi, my name is Aber. I'm 23 years old, and I just wanted to start this quick little style of video of vlogging, documenting on my life, mainly for myself and anyone else that want to go on the journey. A lot of things have changed in the past couple of months, and I can't really describe everything without getting too much in detail because a lot has happened. Like right now, I'm a grown man with not much money, living with my parents and grandparents. I'm not upset about it at all. I'm very blessed that I have this opportunity. It's just the stage that I am in right now. I got my notes to talk about. But yeah, I'm gonna be changing the content style because I don't wanna be playing a character, like playing that edgy guy, rage baiting, all that stuff. Like I wanna just do me. I wanna be me. I don't wanna go on a script because the other videos, it was real, but like I was reading a script because I know how to do the whole social media world. Because I lived with one of the biggest influencers in Brazil, I realized that everything on social media is fake. I know how to start getting into the virality, whatever, but I don't want to do that. I want to be real. I want to do me. I want to be authentic. I don't want to just go on a script. I want to say my actual thoughts, and if I'm funny and edgy, then I'm funny and edgy. It's not a written joke. Like something funny and edgy I can say is driving all the way back here from Florida to Minnesota in my car. Every single gas station I went to, there was an Indian guy. There was a couple gas stations I'd rather not go in there because they stink, but not all of them, you know. Some of them smell good. Anyway, I just wanted to be myself. I want to be myself. I don't need to be playing a character. And another thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm deleting social media. When you're watching these videos and content all the time, it's not just that it's distracting, but it's like you lose yourself. Like you don't even know who you are, and you're getting so many people's opinions and facts and whatever. And when you go talk to other people, you're talking to other people about other people you saw on social media. Or you're saying to other people what you heard from something else and it was not your original thought. You're just copying everything someone else told you. I'm deleting social media because I want to have my own original thoughts. When I sleep at night, I'm not thinking about, oh, this person said this person that said that. I want to think, oh, what can I do better with my life? Oh, there's a war in Iran. I can do nothing about it other than have an opinion. And even having an opinion about it doesn't change the fact that there's a war in Iran. I need to change what's going on with me. There's still a war in Ukraine. How does that make me any money? I don't make any money. I pray that they do better, but I can't do nothing about it. There's a war. I need to do what I need to do. I can't focus on the whole world's problems. And when you go on social media, you are borrowing everybody's anxiety, their things, their life. Like you don't even have your own life and you're watching someone else's life. I cannot keep wasting my life on someone else's life. I need to do my own. That's why I'm creating content instead of consuming. Another thing that I'm going to be doing is trading. So I already mentioned that I'm going to be doing trading with my dad specifically. It's going to work out. I'm maybe going to stream it, possibly, but let's see how that goes. Then I'm also doing something called lens therapy. What that does is it scans your brain to see if there's any irregular activity that's going on. For a very long time, I've had heavy anxiety, mood swings, depression, almost bipolar, major brain fog. I can't remember for shit. And it just completely messes up my life, my personal life with my family, my friends, my financial life with trading. It just wrecks everything. And I know it's not normal. So I went to this doctor who scanned my brain, and it literally said on that scan that everything that I ever go through is actually because of my brain. It's not my personality. It's not me. It's my brain. It's the feelings versus who I am. My body was always on survival mode when I'm supposed to be relaxing. So I feel anxious all the time for no apparent reason at all, doing nothing. And these brain scans showed me that, oh, it's actually my brain, not my personality. So I'm gonna fix that up and then we're gonna go, baby. I kind of finished up with these notes. The whole point of what I wanted to say with these vlogs is I want to start doing these regularly, maybe even weekly, just to get an idea of the progress of my life and how it's going. I think I'm relearning a lesson right now. I think God put me here to relearn a lesson because fear has been the number one thing, the number one driver, the number one motivator in my life. That is the deciding factor of everything I do in my life, and nothing has worked out. I went to Brazil out of fear. of running away from a job that I hated, but not particularly the job. It was more of the fear of feeling small, the fear of being mediocre. I went to Brazil full of fear. I enjoyed my time in Brazil, but I didn't get to enjoy it as much as I should because of fear. Even before that, when I lived here, trying to quit my job through trading. Because I feared my job and wanted to escape so bad, it affected my trading. And I got so desperate in trading that I kept on blowing accounts. Because I was so desperate from the fear of having my job for such a long time, I was forcing everything and I never was able to be profitable in trading. I think God put me here to face those fears. I literally think I was supposed to be here in order to do this lens therapy thing, get money with the job, get trading, face the fears that I'm doing. Everything that I'm doing right now, I think God put me here to do that. And I want to document everything. I might not be a perfect person. I want to be open and as honest as possible with you guys, with myself. I don't want to play a character. I want to be myself. And if you don't like me, then I'm not for you. And if you like me, you can continue watching and not only watch, but also come along with me in the journey because I am not doing this shit alone. We got this.